As business demands grow, financial reporting and reconciliation requirements keep getting complex. Whether it's integrating financial transactions from legacy and current ERP applications to creating reports on demand. To keep up, you need the right tools. Yet, a recent survey by AICPA found that 9 out of 10 companies lacked relevant tools to proactively spot reconciliation issues or measure financial data adequately. As a result, more than 45% of the finance managers and controllers felt underconfident with their ability to analyze and report financial data completely and on a timely basis. Most attribute this to a lack of real-time access to GL and subledger data or dependency of IT for reporting needs. Have you felt this way? Is this your story too? Well, not anymore. With GLSense, your reports are not only interactive, but reliable and timely. Here are 3 ways GLSense can help you. Firstly, GLSense fits right in. Unlike other tools available, GLSense easily integrates with both legacy and ERP applications, allowing you to conveniently pull data from a single tab in your Excel sheet. Next, GLSense validates data with speed and accuracy. Simply double-click on a particular balance in a financial report to view information all the way to subledger details. And lastly, GLSense saves you critical time and expense as you don't need to get more training. GLSense is built into your Excel so you can leverage its functions to generate reports with just a few clicks. It is intuitively designed to your advantage. So why wait? Head over to our website to request a demo.